Hi everyone, today we are going to start another question of trial balance. As I have told you before that the trial balance is developed before after every ledger. So trial balance is the only way to let us see that our question has been solved right or not. Okay, so trial balance has the serial number 15. It means serial number 15. It means there are 15 ledgers in this question. Okay, so uh, so this is the question. This is the this was the journal, and that was the ledgers of that journal, and we are going to make a trial balance. So first of all, we'll take the journal of cash. So what we write, this is our asset name, asset name or account name. Okay. So first of all, our account name is cash. Second, our account name is second account name is capital. Third account name is bank. Fourth account name is furniture. Fifth is purchases. Furniture, purchases. Seventh is Karachi store. Eighth is sales, and then Rafiq and Sons. Rafiq and Sons. Then we have purchase return. Then we have sale return. Purchase return, sales return. Discount account loss by fire. Discount, then loss by fire. Then we have drawings and typewriter. Drawings, typewriter, typewriter. Then we have advertisement, and then we have salaries. Then we have salaries. Then we have rent, rent account. Okay. So there are 17 accounts in this trial balance. We have made ledger of 16 accounts. So how we can make a trial balance? First of all, we take the debit balance. If debit balance of something, if something has a debit balance, it means it will be written in the debit column of trial balance. If some account has credit balance, it means it will be written in the credit column of trial balance. So cash has a debit balance of 83,100. So it will be written in the debit column of cash. 83,100. This is debit, this is credit column. Okay. Now, second one is capital. Capital has a credit balance of 2 lakh. It means it will be written in the credit column of capital. Third is bank. Bank has a debit balance of 66,000. It will be written in the 60 in the debit column. Next is furniture. Furniture has a debit balance of 10,000. Purchases has also a debit balance of 59,000. So 10,000 and 59,000. Next is Karachi store. Karachi store has a no balance, so it will be marked as dash. Okay. Now sales. Sales has a one second. Sales has a debit balance of no, it is written wrongly. Sales is never debit. Sales has a nature of credit always. So it will have a credit balance of 48,000. This is wrong. Okay. So sales has a credit balance of 48,000. Next is Rafiq and Sons. Rafiq and Sons have a no balance. It will be marked dash. Purchase return have a credit balance of 3,000. Purchase return has a credit balance of 3,000. Next is sales return. Sales return has a debit balance of 2,000. Next is discount account. Discount where is discount? Discount has a credit balance of 100. Credit balance of 100. Okay. Loss by fire has a debit balance of 4,000 debit balance. So because loss by fire is an expense, it has a debit nature. Drawings is also expense, so it has a debit balance of 3,000. Here it is written. Okay, 3,000 has a debit balance. Drawings. Typewriter debit balance of 10,000. Advertisement has a debit balance, it is also an expense. Advertisement has a debit balance of 4,000. Salaries has a debit balance of 6,000. And rent has a debit balance of 4,000. Okay. Now we have to find the total amount of debit and credit. They are equal. It means our question is right. So 2,48,000 and 3,000, 2,51,000 and 2,51,000 and 100. Okay, this is the credit balance. Now it that was cash debit balance of 83,100, 66,000 plus 10,000 plus 59,000 plus 2,000 plus 4 plus 3 plus 10,000 plus 4 plus 6 plus 4 equals to 2,50,000 and 100. Okay, it means our question is right. If the trial balance between the debit side and credit side are equal, it means our question is rightly solved. Otherwise we have made some mistakes. Here we can see that our answer is equal, debit side is equal to credit side, so our trial balance is okay. So if you have any question in this question, if you have any problem, you can ask me, and thank you so much.